Morning. Now we are going to revise for NEET. Okay, NEET exam. So questions will be for 20 marks from biology. See, question number 1 is which of the following is wrong statement? Among the four options, Mucor has biflagellate zoospores. This is the wrong statement here. Okay. So read the following statements 1 to 5 and select the options with all the correct statements. So you have to read all the 1 to 5 and answer it. Here the option is 1, 4 and 5. Okay, that's the answer. An example for colonial algae is volvox. Select the mismatch here. You can see Cycos dioecious, Salvinia heterosporus. இதில் mismatch ஆயிருக்கிறது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா pinus தான். Okay. Double fertilization is exhibited by is it gymnosperms, algae, fungi or angiosperms? In angiosperms. Okay. Life cycle of Ectocarpus and Fucus respectively are haplodiplontic and diplontic. Okay. Conifers are adapted to tolerate extreme environmental conditions because of thick cuticle. Which one of the following statements are wrong here? Algin is obtained from red algae and carrageenan from brown algae. This is a wrong statement. So the answer is that in bryophytes and pteridophytes, transport of male gametes require water. Okay. Select the correct statement here. Among the four, option 2 is the correct statement. Okay. Just read out these things. Okay. Already had studied in your portion. Okay. Chromatophores are take part in photosynthesis. Which one of the following is isogamy with non-flagellated gametes? It's Spirogyra. Okay. Which of the following is responsible for peat formation? It's sphagnum. Okay. Select the wrong statement among this. In Oomycetes, female gamete is smaller and motile while male gamete is larger and non-viral. This is a wrong statement. It will be a vice versa here. Okay. Isogamous condition with non-flagellated gametes is found in Spirogyra. Besides paddy fields, cyanobacteria are also found inside vegetative part of which one here? It is cycas. Megasporangium is equivalent to what? Ovule, not the above three. Okay. Read the following statements and answer the question which follows them. Okay. So how many the given options are in liverworts, mosses and ferns, gametophytes are free living. Gymnosperms and some sperms are heterospores. Sexual reproduction in fucus, volvox and albuga is oogamous. The sporophyte in liverworts is more elaborate than that in mosses. Okay, among this they had asked the question how many of the above statements are correct. So not all the four are correct, only 3 is correct. Which one is wrong here? Meiosis takes place in melanocyte. Okay. Which one of the following is a correct statement here? So which one is 4? Okay, which one is false here? The last one. Okay. Meiosis takes place in meiocyte. Okay. Which of the following is a correct statement here again? Origin of seed habit can be traced in pteridophytes. Okay. Prions and viroids are acellular. Okay. Prokaryotic animals lie in kingdom Monera. The flowering plants are considered as a part of which one? Kingdom Plantae. Which is true about viruses? Viruses are acellular. Okay. The viruses are considered as a non-living organisms because they are crystalline in nature. Euglena and amoeba belongs to the kingdom of what? Protocysta or Protista. Okay. The quality of storing food using simple inorganic material belongs to plants which are autotrophs. Which of the following is included in kingdom Animalia? Multicellular organisms the Animalia. Okay, who is the father of taxonomy among the following? Linnaeus, Aristotle, Maheshwari, Birbal, Sahani. Who is Linnaeus is the answer. Example of blue-green algae is in among this Monera. Okay. By how many criteria living organisms have been classified into 5 kingdoms? It is 4 criteria. We had studied, right? The following kingdoms, bacteria and blue-green algae are included in Monera group. Okay, uh, prokaryotes are included in the kingdom of Monera here. Okay, which of the following is also called halophiles? Here the answer is archaebacteria, that is called halophiles. Okay, we have studied these things in our portion. Okay, viruses were discovered by Diana. Okay, virus consists of RNA. Okay, not DNA, RNA. Okay, which of the following diseases caused by viroid? Alzheimer's disease. Okay, the name virus was given by Pasteur. He only gave the name for virus. Virus have DNA or RNA code and protein code. Okay, it doesn't have plasma membrane or lipid envelope or lipid code. Okay, a virus contain a DNA or RNA. Okay, either it may contain DNA or RNA. It will not contain only DNA or only RNA or DNA and RNA. So the answer is DNA here. Okay, DNA or RNA here. Okay, so that's it. You have to prepare for your NEET test. Okay, all the best. Thank you.